Hello everyone, today we are discussing about cell, structure of cell, function of cell. A cell is the basic structural and functional unit of all known living organisms. Cells are the smallest unit of life that can replicate independently, and are often called the building blocks of life. There are two main types of cells, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are the simplest type of cell, and are found in bacteria and archaea. Eukaryotic cells are more complex than prokaryotic cells, and are found in all other types of organisms, including plants, animals. Structure. The structure of a cell is made up of the following parts: cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, vacuole, chloroplasts. The cell membrane is a thin layer that surrounds the cell and controls what enters and leaves the cell. It is made up of a phospholipid bilayer, which is a double layer of phospholipid molecules. The phospholipid molecules are arranged so that they're hydrophobic, water-hating, tails are facing each other, and they're hydrophilic, water-loving, heads are facing the outside of the cell. This arrangement creates a barrier that prevents water and other molecules from freely moving in and out of the cell. Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the jelly-like substance that fills the cell and contains organelles. Organelles are specialized structures that carry out specific functions within the cell. Nucleus. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. It contains the cell's DNA, which is the genetic material that determines the cell's structure and function. The DNA is organized into chromosomes, which are thread-like structures that are found in the nucleus. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of the cell. They produce energy for the cell to use. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are like tiny factories. They make proteins, which are essential for all life processes. Endosomes. Endosomes are sacs that transport materials around the cell. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are like garbage disposals. They break down waste products and other unwanted materials. Cells are able to perform all of the functions of life, including reproduction. Cells can reproduce themselves, creating new cells that are identical to the original cell. Metabolism. Cells use energy to carry out their activities. Growth. Cells grow and divide to produce new cells. Differentiation. Cells become specialized to perform different functions. Response to stimuli. Cells can respond to changes in their environment. Here are some additional details about the functions of some of the organelles mentioned above. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are responsible for producing energy for the cell. They do this by a process called cellular respiration, which converts food into energy. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are responsible for making proteins. Proteins are essential for all life processes, including growth, repair, and immunity. Endosomes. Endosomes are involved in the transport of materials around the cell. They receive materials from the outside of the cell and deliver them to other parts of the cell. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are responsible for breaking down waste products and other unwanted materials. They do this by a process called digestion. Cells are amazing structures that are essential for life. They are able to perform all of the functions of life, and they are incredibly complex. Scientists are still learning about how cells work, and there's still much that we don't know. Thanks for watching.